Okay.
Yeah.
So you're off. Where do you go to?
We went to Texas.
So your first time flying out of Kenya, you're off to the States, Texas.
Went to a place called
Straight out of Limuru.
Del Rio, Texas, which is near the Mexican border. So we're there for 16 to 18 months, and we flew. Now we learned proper flying, now the jet flying.
Okay.
An aircraft called the T-37, and another one called the T-38. T-38 is a trainer for the F-5. They look the same. I'll try to get you some pictures later. So they look the same long, but it's a trainer, it's not a fighter. So we did 16 months of that.
And are you just the Kenyans? Of course, there's also Americans.
Many people.
And people from all across the world.
It's just a huge base, training base. We even had people from Iraq, from Iran, of course the locals, the Americans, the Kenyans, we had Nigerians. So it was a huge group, so we're in different classes.
Okay, City, we like going slowly. That's why I asked you for your day. Now you're understanding.
Yeah.
So when you arrive America, you're going, I mean, a lot of people arrive America and they're going to family and things like that. You are going to the military in America.
Yes.
For this training.
Yeah.
And you're with the military from Kenya. So
Correct.
There's some behaviors that.
Correct.
So what is that experience now like? And they're beginning to train you knowing that you know nothing from their perspective.
Yeah. It was very exciting, but the military then, I guess even now, was an amazing setup. I mean, like we landed in Dallas, there were people waiting for us. I mean, there's a US military man to meet us because he knew these 5 totally lost Kenyans who are looking lost with their scruffy jeans, have no idea what to do.
And what year is this, sorry?
This was 78.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, 77.
Okay. 77.
Because it was a year after I joined. Okay. Then they took us to the base. It was quite a long drive. Got us accommodation, got us settled down. We were given uniform and 3-4 days to rest, and we started.
So is it the same kind like you had in
Isli?
Yeah, no, not even in Isli. What's it called again?
The flying training school.
No, the military training school that you had gone. So when they're training you, what are they training you on? Your physical, mental?
No, it was purely not like Lanette.
Okay.
This is purely flying.
Okay.
Purely flying.
So this is a flying school.
It's a flying school.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a flying school. And you leave there with a diploma in aeronautical aviation. There's a lot of classes and flying, and the later aircraft, of course, start learning military flying, which is formation, like basic fighter maneuvers. We started doing that there. Like you see air-to-air combat.
Yes.
So we did all that there.
Okay, let's do this thing a bit. Let's move through this conversation a bit slowly. So I'm trying to understand the dynamics of. I mean, because your life is sounding very accelerated, and it's not because of the camera or anything. It's just literally how fast things are progressing from Lenana to here. This is so fast.
From Limuru to here.
From Limuru to here, it's so fast. Okay, hold on. Let's take a slight break.
Okay.
Yeah. Just.